Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The Grizzlies Plantation Cove was alive on the weekend for the annual Rebel Salute Music Festival Showcase, which celebrated 25 years of delivering authentic reggae
Standing by my side. Oh, then why should I be afraid? Oh, the pestilence that cries.
25 years, rode it down rough.
Despite the heavy showers on night 2 of the event, patrons came out in their numbers to witness the immaculate performances. We have the highlights. Take a look.
Thank you so much for standing up with our Tony Rebel organization and letting the world know that yes, I am a saluter. I come to this show every year and I really enjoy myself. We give thanks to everyone who come out and continue to support, and we hope that 2019 and beyond Rebel Salute can still keep, people can still find it interesting to come.
More fire upon Babylon. Over there, sir. Looking at Salute, push up my touch. Four corner, over there, sir. Looking at me, sure. Come on, everyone, make it. Looking me, fire when the rain or shine. Come on, everyone, will this inside.
Rebel Salute has been a successful show over the years, you know what I mean? I am like one of the longest performers alongside Tony Rebel himself and Lucian. Three of us do the show more than any other artist in Jamaica, you know what I mean? So you don't know, it's a joy for me, it's a blessing. Good to be a part of it, it's a platform where, help us to exercise righteousness and exercise that love and, that spirituality and that soul and, along with that energetic and fire and,
What is about dancing? Make it that get mad. River, are you tired? Say energy. But I've never seen that dance like this. I say, Rebel Salute! River, come on. Sunday morning. Everybody in the
Dancehall artist Popcorn lands an acting role. The DJ stars in the Netflix movie The Intent sequel, which is now in production and is set for release this summer. Popcorn, whose real name is Andre Sutherland, and Jamaican actor Louis Ox Rankin were given major roles in the movie's sequel. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.